little girl crying, wandering in the street, looking for a helping hand, if someone would even care. A mother with a broken heart, alone and in despair, seeking hope in brokenness, who will now repair? An older man forsaken, no one seems to care, lying in the street alone and in despair. The father lost his job today. How will he now bear the burden of his family? It really isn't fair. Is there someone watching? Someone who really cares to lift up the broken heart and the burdens bear? Someone standing by your side, he's reaching out to you. He is full of faithfulness, his love is always true. Reach out your hand, my friend, his love is touching you. He will heal your broken heart and give you new life too. For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son, to give his life upon a cross, a victory he has won. Come to him, my precious friend, he's reaching out to you. Jesus gave his life for you, and he is faithful too. Come to him, my precious friend, he's reaching out to you. Jesus gave his life for you, and he is faithful too.